Today I am reviewing the Waterpik Cordless Advanced 2.0 Water Flosser for teeth. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Waterpik Cordless Advanced 2.0 Water Flosser is one of those products that genuinely changes the way you think about daily dental care after just a few uses. If you've ever struggled with traditional string floss, dealt with braces, sensitive gums, or simply wanted a faster and more comfortable cleaning routine, this water flosser feels like a major upgrade. From the moment you unbox it, the product gives off a premium and thoughtfully designed feel. The matte black finish looks modern and sleek, and the compact cordless design immediately stands out because it doesn't clutter your bathroom counter or require awkward positioning near an outlet. One of the biggest advantages of this model is convenience. Since it's completely cordless and rechargeable, using it feels effortless compared to larger countertop water flossers. The magnetic USB charging system is simple and modern, and the battery life is honestly impressive. Waterpik claims up to 4 weeks of use per charge depending on usage, and in real-world use it lasts long enough that charging never becomes annoying. The LED recharge indicator is also useful because you always know when it's time to plug it in before traveling. Speaking of travel, this is clearly one of the strongest areas of the Waterpik Cordless Advanced 2.0. It comes with a microfiber travel bag, a tip storage case, and even a water plug to prevent leaks during transport. For anyone who travels often, whether for work, vacations, or school, this makes a huge difference. Instead of giving up your dental routine on the road, you can easily toss this into a backpack or suitcase without taking up much space. The global voltage compatibility is another excellent touch for international travelers. Performance-wise, this water flosser delivers exactly what people expect from the Waterpik brand. The Precision Pulse technology creates a powerful stream of water that reaches areas traditional floss sometimes misses. After the first few uses, your mouth genuinely feels cleaner and fresher, especially around the gum line and between teeth. It's especially effective after meals where food particles tend to get trapped in hard-to-reach areas. People with braces, permanent retainers, crowns, implants, or bridges will probably appreciate this even more because cleaning around dental work can be frustrating with normal floss. The 360-degree rotating tip is another feature that sounds small on paper but makes a huge difference in daily use. Being able to rotate the tip easily helps you reach back teeth comfortably without twisting your wrist awkwardly. Cleaning the entire mouth becomes faster and more efficient, especially once you get used to the positioning. The included 4 tips also add versatility depending on your dental needs, which is great for households where multiple people may share the unit while using their own dedicated tip. Another thing worth highlighting is the customizable pressure settings. The 3 pressure modes make this flosser approachable for almost everyone. Beginners or users with sensitive gums can start on the low setting, while people who want a more intense cleaning experience can increase the pressure later. The highest setting feels strong enough to remove debris effectively without becoming painful. Over time, many users notice their gums feeling healthier and less irritated compared to aggressive string flossing. The removable 7-ounce water reservoir is practical and easy to clean, and the fact that it's top-rack dishwasher safe is a nice bonus. While the 45-second flossing time may require a refill for some users who prefer a slower routine, most people will find it sufficient for a quick but effective cleaning session. Since the device is lightweight and ergonomic, holding it during use feels comfortable even when maneuvering around the entire mouth. One of the most underrated features is that it's waterproof and shower-safe. That might not sound important initially, but once you start using it in the shower, it becomes incredibly convenient. Water flossing can sometimes get messy while learning, so being able to use it in the shower removes that concern completely. It turns dental care into something quick and easy instead of a chore. The fact that this product carries the American Dental Association seal of acceptance also adds confidence. Waterpik has built a strong reputation over the years, and many dentists actively recommend water flossers, especially for people who struggle to maintain consistent flossing habits. Knowing this model is ADA accepted gives reassurance that it's not just a trendy gadget, but a genuinely effective dental hygiene tool. Of course, no product is perfect. Some users may initially find water flossers messy, until they learn the proper technique. It can take a few sessions to get comfortable controlling the water flow without splashing everywhere. Additionally, the water reservoir could be slightly larger for users who prefer taking their time during cleaning. Another thing to remember is that the wall adapter is not included with the USB charger, though most people already own compatible USB charging bricks. Still, those are relatively minor complaints when compared to the overall experience this device provides. The combination of portability, strong cleaning performance, rechargeable convenience, travel-friendly accessories, and comfortable usability makes this one of the best cordless water flossers currently available. It's especially valuable for people with braces, sensitive gums, or anyone trying to improve their oral hygiene routine without relying solely on traditional floss. Overall, the Waterpik Cordless Advanced 2.0 Water Flosser delivers an excellent balance of power, portability, and convenience. It feels like a premium product designed to make daily dental care easier and more effective. After consistent use, many people notice cleaner teeth, fresher breath, and healthier gums, which makes the investment feel worthwhile. If you're looking for a modern, travel-friendly, dentist-recommended water flosser that actually performs as advertised, this is definitely a product worth considering.